You can now find refurbished spare parts, quote, and order them after warranty validation in the e-commerce platform. The exchange service includes a direct replacement of a broken part immediately after the customer's request. The AES will allow you to benefit from a replacement service for defective items that will be completely refurbished through the e-commerce platform. At the same time, you will be able to make your own AES quotations and orders. This service is fast, and you can access it easily at any time. Maintaining the availability of your equipment is now possible. You will also benefit from a tracking system from your customer account that will allow you to know where your orders are at any time. Manage all the installed base and contract forms from one place, giving you higher autonomy and increased visibility of your orders. Finally, by using our AES service, you will be directly contributing to sustainable development as we refurbish defective parts and thus greatly reduce waste. And how does it work? Upon your request, a refurbished part order will be processed, and a recycling deposit value will be applied to your order. You will be able to quote and place AES orders in our e-commerce portal, allowing you to see if your part is under warranty or not and what steps to follow to quote or order. In addition, a return material authorization will be issued for the used item and attached to the refurbished item delivery. The used item must be returned to Markem-Imaje per the RMA instructions within 30 calendar days from the refurbished item delivery date. The recycling deposit value will be refunded upon goods receipt within 3 working days. How can I make the order? Easy! You only need to provide the serial number of the item and/or printer in your customer portal to meet the list of related modules. All the refurbished items are marked with the ENR icon. There are several ways to create an order. When you enter your part number, if the item is available, it will appear in the list with an Add ENR Item to Cart button with checkout or quote options. So, let's place the order. In this case, we found our item through My Favorites. We just need to click on the ENR Checkout button to discover the list of related items for your equipment and their references. We add the product to the cart through the Add ENR Item to Cart button. An alert message will appear warning us that if we have an item in the cart, it will be emptied as the Advanced Exchange Service products are sold separately from the rest of MI products. Once we accept, we have the item in our cart with all the contact and shipping details. We check everything is correct and click on Calculate so that the application calculates the value of the deposit we will have to receive the item. On the next page, click on Checkout and you will find several ways for payment. After this, click on Place Order, and you will find a page with Confirmation Order. How can you check if the modules are available for the ENR and if they are under warranty? You can create a ticket to be attended from our help desk by clicking on the Request Info button, or create a new one in case you are not sure of the module reference. You can also make an order of a refurbished item for your broken part even without the reference number. Go to My Equipment and search the serial number for the module you wish to order for. If not found, select the equipment for which you want to order the exchange part and click on Exchange Spare Parts to find available ENR modules for the selected equipment. Once selected, click on the Add ENR Item to Cart. From here, we will follow the steps explained above. In the previous cases, we've seen an ENR quote option. Choose it in case you need a quote before placing an order. We accept, and as we have done before, we click on Calculate to obtain the quote that we can download or manage, as always from the My Quotes section. The use of the e-commerce portal will allow you higher autonomy, higher visibility of the quotes and orders, and the tracking of your shipments. We are confident that the Advanced Exchange Service will enable our ongoing sustainability effort by refurbishing defective parts and reducing waste. Should you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact your local customer service team. Remember, Help Desk is always there for you.